Hi, in this video we are going to see employee inter repository interface, which is not reference is using Autowire. So now first we start the application. Now see, so currently exception throw here, and employee repository define entity employee. So now we open the services employee services classes, and going to employee repository. Now check out everything is proper configure. Employee entity primary key long. Now next we going to employee, and we check out here everything's fine, but still have one annotation here missing, entity. So entity means it is a table name, table entity. So now we restart the application and check out its error sold out or not. So after marking entity, we see here application started successfully, and hit API here. Now data should be generated. So here what we do here, first employee repository interfaces, and here JPI repository generic employee and long, and employee here one annotation missing, entity what marking here, entity it is defined this employee class, it is a table of table of employee. So after I add here entity, error is solved.